Shenzhen HXS Electronic Company Limited, located in a scientific and technological innovation city, Shenzhen. We are a professional manufacturer that specialized in developing and manufacturing educational sound toys, early educational sound books for infants and children, sound modules with or without LED flashing toys, sound modules for greeting cards and plush toys, recording modules, sound keychains, musical bottle opener. Our company has an excellent technical R&D engineers team and professional sales staffs that mostly work in this field for more than 15 years. We can support customers to develop new products with new IC, circuit design, mold design and making, and product production according to customers' requirements in the shortest time. So, OEM and ODM orders are all welcome. There are also some existing toys for you to choose. As a professional manufacturer, we always provide certified products and professional service at reasonable price. We have cooperated with many clients both from domestic and overseas and has obtained plenty of praise consistently from our customers since it was set up strict quality guarantee system and perfect management system. Customer first, quality foremost is our tenet and ultimate goal. We sincerely welcome you to visit our company, or if you are interested in any of our products, please feel free to contact us directly for more information. We will do our utmost to supply you with our good quality and best services.